Hi children, good morning. Second class EVS, page number 152, lesson number 17. The lesson name is water. Today we are going to learn about the water. All living things need water. Our earth is made up of 3/4 of water and 1/4 of land. We use water for many daily activities. Yes or no children? Why we use water? We use water for drinking, for brushing, for watering plants, for washing utensils, washing hands, bathing, cooking and swimming. Yes or no? Then from where do we get this water? The main source of water is rain. Rain is the main source of water. In some places, snow melts to form rivers to give us water. We get water from rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. Nowadays, we have tube wells and motorized pumps that bring water straight into our homes for our use. In olden days, people used to draw water from wells and use the hand pumps. These are wells, Nana, and this is hand pump. In olden days, most of the people were used this. In nowadays, in villages also, we are using this. The water we get from the above sources will not be safe for drinking. We must filter and boil water to remove dirt and germs before drinking it. We use water purifiers to get safe drinking water at home. Water which we are getting from this is not safe for drinking. What we have to do, we should boil the water, or we should pour the water into the filter so that water can be purified and it is safe for drinking. How can we save water? Water is precious. It must not be wasted. It must be used with care. We should not waste water, Nana. And repair leaking taps. Taps ఎక్కడైనా లీక్ అవుతుంటే వాటిని రిపేర్ చేయించుకోవాలి. యూజ్ ఏ బకెట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఫర్ బాత్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద షవర్. షవర్తో స్నానం చేసేదానికన్నా బకెట్లో వాటర్ నింపుకొని చేయాలి నాన్న, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ సేవ్ ద వాటర్. Do not leave the tap open when you brush. When you are brushing, we should not simply unnecessarily we should not open the tap. Okay. How does water get dirty? Look at the picture and discuss. Student, water ela dirty avutundi? See, this woman is washing her clothes here and this person is throwing dust into this. See, plastic covers and people are taking bath and this person is cleaning his animals and some industrial waste is coming into the water. Yes, and in this way the water is getting dirty. When you visit tourist places near water bodies, remember not to throw waste into the water. మనం ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు టూరిస్ట్ ప్లేసెస్లో వాటర్ కనిపించిన దగ్గర దాంట్లో డస్ట్ పారేది నాన్న, వేస్ట్ థింగ్స్, చెత్త అలాంటిది ఏం కూడా పారేయకూడదు. వీ షుడ్ కీప్ అవర్ వాటర్ క్లీన్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ లెసన్ రీడింగ్. Now we shall write the question answers of this lesson in the page number 155. First question. Mention 5 daily activities that cannot be done if there is no water. Answer: brushing, bathing, cooking, drinking, washing utensils cannot be done if there is no water. Second question. From where do we get water? Rain is the main source of water. We get water from rivers, lakes, ponds and oceans. Tube wells and pumps bring water to our homes. Third question. How is water made fit for drinking? We must filter and boil water to remove dirt and germs before drinking it. We can also use water purifiers. Fourth question. Mention 4 things you can do to save water. Answer: first point, repair leaking taps. Second point, do not leave tap open when you brush. Third one, Use a bucket of water to bath instead of shower. Fourth point, do not waste drinking water. Fifth question, what are some of the ways by which water in a pond gets dirty? Water in a pond gets dirty by throwing waste, giving bath to animals, and washing clothes. Now next, page 156. Second bit, fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. First one, our earth is made up of land and water. We use water to brush and bath. In the olden days, people collected water from wells. Okay children, complete these notes in your classwork and once go through the lesson reading. With this we completed our EVS lessons. Okay children, read the lesson carefully. Have a nice day.